On it.
This is baby Given. Oh, don't you're crying. What? Welcome to the world. Welcome to the world, baby. Daddy here. Can you remember the voice of Daddy? Huh? Oh, you're so cute, baby. That's so cute. First selfie. Okay. So, we're gonna go. Oh.
Go to the nursery.
Go to tap. First selfie, baby. Welcome! So dito na kami, nakabalik na kami sa aming kwarto. At ang aming pasyente nakahiga na. So, ang gwapo ng baby namin. Manang-mana sa daddy. What can you say, babe?
Happy.
Happy? Happy ka? Wow. So later, ipapakita namin yung tiil ng baby namin.
Tiil. Paa.
Yung paa. Ganyan talaga kapag bilingual ka ba? Alright.
May picture na na yun.
Kinukunan ko nga na naiya.
Ganda ng eyes.
Parang biglang lumaki talaga siya.
May picture ako. 4 hours, 5 hours post-operation. And our first visitors, Ninang and Ninong, na nagdala ng ulam para kay Daddy.
Hey, Daddy.
Yes. Food for the dad and to check to see Given.
Yeah. Look at Given. Look at you. You're so tiny.
Okay. Oh, you wanna sleep? You wanna sleep? Oh. You wanna sleep? Hey. Oh, so handsome baby boy. Oh. Can you hear my voice? Huh? Hungry, Mai? Oh, you are so handsome, buddy.
Breakfast.
What's your breakfast?
Sabaw.
Sabaw.
And ang rice. Malabnaw pa sa ano.
First meal of the mother. Sabaw. Anong sabaw yan?
Sarap.
Okay.
Ito rice
Maybe
ang
broth.
lasa.
Rice ang isa?
Rice ang lasa niya.
Rice ang lasa. Yeah.
Pero sabaw siya. Ito ata juice.
Okay. Good.
Hi! Update. Today is the 22nd na ng June. And Given is almost 24 hours. Given. Baby boy with daddy. Daddy time. He just had his milk and a nap with mommy. And now he wants daddy. Can you come over, daddy? This is baby Given. Less than 24 hours. So guwapo man. Looking at daddy. Eye to eye with daddy. Papa. Daddy time. Duko's here. Ang bata. Nga pala tulog. Ang batang laging tulog. Is here. We're waiting for him to wake up para mapakain. May kulambo pa yan. Tulog is life. Good morning. Today is 23rd of June. Happy Sunday. And we are currently pumping morning. Kasi wala pa rin tayong gatas. And kawawa ang buboy. So pump lang tayo ng pump hanggang sa may lumabas. Daddy. Today, wala na pala akong IVs. Meron ng suero, pero wala ng IV. And then, wala na rin yung catheter. And, okay na yung sugat. And I can walk na. And, hindi pa rin tayo nakaligo. Bawal pa rin daw maligo. Sabi, nagtanong kami kung pwede na akong maligo. Bawal pa daw. Pero, check ulit namin mamaya with the doctor. Tapos, ano pa ba? Hindi na masyadong masakit ang sugat. Pero, may pain reliever pa rin naman. But the buboy is not here. Still nasa nursery. Doon pa rin namin pinatulog. Kasi kahapon hindi ako nakatulog ng mabuti. Para kagabi, sana katulog ako. Pero nakatulog naman ako. Maganda. Kagabi. Pero maya-maya lang andito na yun. And we will learn how to, they will teach us how to bath the baby, how to change diaper. Although, may idea naman kami, pero tuturuan daw kami mamaya. And how to take care of the baby. So baka mamayang gabi dito na yun matutulog. That's all for the update.
Wala pa.
Visit. Nursery.
Walk. Second day na ba ngayon? Third day. So we're gonna see the baby. Our little boy is crying.
Arte-arte man yan ang buboy. Uy! Ang sus... Grabe. Grabe baba. Very big mouth. We are back. Sa nursery kami pinag-training ng parang training talaga siya how to bath the baby, how to change diaper, how to breastfeed. And the baby's here. Dinala na namin. Dito na muna siya. Yeah. And the daddy is here also. Excited for the boo-boy. Sleeping again. Laging tulog yan. Diba? Tulog is life lang kami lagi. And also pala, we have, giveaways from gift set from the hospital. Pakita ko sa inyo. Okay, so first is the milk. Meron na silang binigay na isang latang milk just in case na hindi ako makapag-breastfeed. Ito din yung gamit niya dito while nandito kami.
What is this?
And then isang pack na diaper. Newborn diaper. Oh, with baby essentials. So merong shampoo, lotion, powder.
Lotion powder. This is oil, I think.
Yeah, olive oil, head to toe wash. This one.
What's this? Well,
same. Yeah. So, mga panglinis kay baby and panlinis sa mga gamit niya. And then, one bag. What is this? Eucalyptus. Hindi pa namin alam kung ano yun. Oh, they have this. Para sa rashes. Nagbigay din sila ng diaper cream. They have, ano ito? Diaper? Diapers.
Cotton.
Yeah. Hanggang sa baba. Yeah. I think diaper din. Then they have, nadilim. Same pa din, mga gamit for the baby. May alcohol. May bag. And then they will also give gift set. So yung gift set na tawag nila, yun, isang set ng damit, upper, pajama, and then may swaddle ata. Parang isang set ng baby na damit. So yun yung ipapasuot nila sa going home ni baby. Ata. Ayan. And nakaligo na kami. Kasi nag-training si mommy and daddy na magligo kay baby. Kaya, bango-bango na yan. And then we also tried to feed him doon sa nursery pero ayaw niya. Busog ata siya. Tulog ng tulog ang bata. So, that's it. Lalabas kami tomorrow na. Today is Sunday. Mag-attend lang kami ng online mass. And then, pahinga. And then, tomorrow, we are going home. Hopefully. Kung wala namang complications. Wala naman kaming problema pareho ni baby. So, I think we're good to go home tomorrow. But yeah, actually, hindi pa ako nakaligo. Bawal pa daw maligo, mag-shower. Pero, na kami. Half bath, and then, nagpunas lang ako ng buhok ko with basang towel. That's all. Update. So we are all ready to go home. Waiting na lang kay baby. Kinuha si baby for blood test. Last test for the baby. If all good, uwi na tayo. Discharge na. So I have girdle now. Hindi pa rin nakaligo. Sa bahay na maliligo. Kaka-change lang ng aking bandage sa sugat into the waterproof one. Para pwede na akong maligo pag uwi ng bahay.
Well guys, we're waiting na lang sa baby tsaka sa wheelchair. Uwi na kami.
See you sa bahay.
See you sa bahay. Thank you guys.
Bahay na kami. Nagmamap kasi maalikabok na daw ang aming sahig. And we still have a lot of gamit to put away. And Labuboy is still sleeping. Hindi na kami nakapag-video ng kanyang first car ride kasi well, nagmamadali na kaming makaabot sa bahay. But he's all good. May white noise na rin. And dami pang kalat. May puput away.